Hey, how you doing? Welcome to Happy Pappy's Gospel Corner.
Yeah, Happy Pappy is not here today, so I'm filling in. My name is Joe. Hey, how you doing? Joe here, yeah.
So, a B17 Fortress. We're going to talk about that today.
I see. Can I see what a Suther Fortress looks like?
Yeah, you can.
Wow, look at that. Where'd you get that?
That's a model. I put it together and painted it. This is a B17 Super Fortress, just like the one that Jimmy Doolittle and his raiders used when they bombed Japan during World War II, because Japan thought they were invincible.
Look at all those guns you got there. You got guns underneath. Look at that. Guns underneath, guns in the back, guns on top, guns in the front. Look at those wings. Look at that wing stand. Yeah, I like that. So what's up with the B-17 there?
Well, there was a pilot by the name of Bon Fox, and he piloted the B-17 on one of his missions.
Yeah, I see.
And anti-aircraft shells struck him 11 times in the gas tank.
Oh, my goodness. Go down. He'd be a goner.
But he was not a goner. His plane landed after the mission was complete.
Oh, okay. And they found the 11 shells in the gas tank after he landed, huh?
That's exactly what happened. And there was a note inside one of them.
What'd the note say?
The note said that this is all we can do for now.
This is all we can do for now. What's all that'll do?
Well, in life, we can all do something.
Yeah?
Well, this factory worker did not charge the bombs, the anti-aircraft shells.
Oh, okay.
So he couldn't stop the war, but he could save one plane.
I like that. He couldn't stop the war. Did he save that one plane that Don Fox piloted? Yeah.
So do all you can, while you can, if you can, but don't do nothing.
No, don't do nothing. Do something.
2 Corinthians 5:7 says, "For we walk by faith, not by sight."
Lord, we walk thy faith, not thy sight. I like that. Yeah.
Selah. Meditate on that.
I'm gonna meditate on that. I'm gonna.